gusto kong gawin. Which is, I'm very, very lucky that I have a partner like that. Kasi wala siyang reklamo, wala siyang side comments. Kung anong gusto kong gawin mo. Susuportahan kita.
Okay. Pero, yung pagsali sa beauty contest, nandun pa rin. Yung wanting to get beauty queen, is it still there?
Yeah, I just texted you a month
I
ago.
know. Napag-usapan natin yun.
I was texting about, boy, what do you think? Should I do it? I don't know. I'm so, confused. I don't know what to do. But the desire is there. I always tell that in all my interviews that the desire is there, but when the reality kicks in, you have to consider, for example, contract. Yung mga behind the scenes na endorsement, brands. So parang ito yung mga hindi alam ng mga tao na it's very complicated. When it's 15 years ako sa industry, so I've already built a lot of, relationship with brands, with my colleagues, that I would have to pause and focus on the beauty queen world, which is also hard. So, alam mo, hindi mo alam, is this the right or the wrong decision? Hair down.
Makeup, no makeup.
Makeup.
Maarte, abebe.
Maarte.
Beauty or brains?
Brain.
Me time, suwakay.
Me time.
Beauty queen, Khalil's queen.
I am my own queen.
Paborito mong ginagawa kay Khalil?
Eating.
Paboritong ginagawa sa'yo ni Khalil?
Lambing.
Huling pinag-awayan ninyo ni Khalil?
Lisa.
Guilty or not guilty? May artistang pinagsunutan. Guilty or not guilty? Pinag-alamanan ko ni Khalil.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Bumili na sa hukay-hukay.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Hinumaga sa limitan.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Trinaidor ng kaibigan.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nahirapan mag-move on.
Guilty.
Ay!
Ay, wala na.
Meron na?
Sige, Ruro. O sige, first love ko eh.
Okay. Guilty or not guilty? Nautangan ng kapwa-artista.
Guilty.
One word. Describe yourself as an actor. One word. Describe yourself as a woman. Alphabet. One word. Describe yourself as a girlfriend. One word. Describe yourself as a daughter. A light on or light off. Happiness or chocolate.
Chocolate.
Best time for happiness or chocolate.
All day, every day, 24/7.
I am Gabby. I am 34.
pinapangalagaan, kundi kapakanan ng sambayanan at katotohanan. Balitang walang bahid